Hello friends, welcome to our channel Package Tracking. Today we will discuss how to find Wells Fargo routing number. Here is our website wellsfargoroutingnumber.info. Here you can find all routing number of Wells Fargo in US. Let's start how to find Wells Fargo routing number. We will list here complete list of all routing number in US. Here you can select your state or also search your state, like we will search Alaska. Here it is. Alaska routing number is this. This is very simple. Here you can find any routing number of US states. Here is the in the list is state, here is the routing number, here is the state, here is the routing number. You can check Alabama routing number is 620080, Alaska, Arizona, etc. Here is the complete list of routing number. Wells Fargo is well established bank in US since 1852. Henry Wells and William G. Fargo was started it. That's why its name is Wells Fargo. Now we will tell you what is routing number. The bank routing number, also known as routing transit number RTN, is a 9-digit number used for identification for a financial institution in a transaction. A routing number is something like this, sometimes known as ABA number, check routing number, routing transit number RTN. Routing number usually depend on location where your account was first opened and the type of transaction made, for example, paper, wire transfer, electronics. Bank use routing number for all sorts of financial transaction. You might need one of if you want to do any of the following: set up direct deposit or pay bills automatically from your Wells Fargo bank account, have payment like a salary or pension deposit into your account, pay in check, make a wire or ACH payment to someone in US. How to find routing number of Wells Fargo bank? Wells Fargo routing number is 9-digit unique number encrypted bank direct deposit. Here are some way to find bank routing number online. On this page, we will list all Wells Fargo routing number of checking account and wire transfer. You can check on our page, just search and find your desired routing number. Wells Fargo online banking. You will be able to get your Wells Fargo routing number by logging into online banking and check there. Check or statement. Wells Fargo issue a check or bank statement. There you can also find your routing number. Feed wire. You can look up your routing number on the official website of Federal Reserve Bank. A routing number is necessary for the identification of wire transfer. Here you can see this is the routing number, bank account number and check number. First is routing number, in middle is your bank account number and in last is your check number. If you want to find your routing number on check, this is the structure in which you can find your routing number. Now, which Wells Fargo routing number should you use? The Wells Fargo routing number you need will depend on the transaction. You might need one number to receive ACH transfer and another to set up automatic bill payment. A bank might have a few different routing number, but they are never shared with other banks. This helps you to make sure your payment end up with it meant to. Find Wells Fargo routing numbers for Wells Fargo checking or savings account number, ACH payment routing number, wire transfer routing number. Now we will tell you Wells Fargo hours of operation, means on which time and which day Wells Fargo work. Every branches has different opening hour. We give the regular opening hour of for main headquarter branch It's also valid for many other branches. You should check your specific branch for something more current and up to date. Monday to Saturday 9 to 6 p.m. Sunday is closed, but Wednesday and Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 9 to 5, Saturday 9 to 6 and Sunday it's closed. Now we will tell you Wells Fargo bank holiday. 1st January New Year, January 20 Martin Luther King birthday something, Feb 17 President Day, May 25 Memorial Day, July 4 Independence Day, September 7 Labor Day, October 12 Columbus Day, November 11 Veterans Day, November 26 Thanksgiving Day and November 25 Christmas Day. Here is the list of holiday when Wells Fargo close. And now we will tell you Wells Fargo customer care number 0008000001690. It's 20. In order to contact Wells Fargo customer care general banking support, call 1-800-869-3557. This is the line operated 24/7. Here is some other detail you will find on our website. Sorry friends, report a stolen or lost credit card. Here is the number you can report on this numbers. Wells Fargo routing number, wire transfer. Here is the all number related to this Wells Fargo services. And again here is the complete list for routing numbers, wire transfer, domestic wire transfer, international and ABA routing number state wise. You can find all list here. तो थैंक यू दोस्तों, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. थैंक यू.